Hi everyone, it's Kiera again at Auto Markets, and today I'm going to be teaching you, as you can see what the title is, about what my understanding of Forex is. Now, you're going to be seeing quite a few knowledgeable lessons on Forex coming out now. It was my New Year's resolution, basically to give all the knowledge that I've got, and basically to do a course, could you say, on YouTube, of what Forex is, on my understanding. I had quite a few different teachings, so I think if I simplify it down, because all the teachings that I had were quite in depth, over taught, and sometimes it's best to just learn the basics and then add knowledge as you go along. And I think that helped for me, so that's how I want to do it for you guys rather than just splatting everything at you. So, what is Forex? Let's get into it. It's the exchange of foreign currency. So, Forex. If you split it up, oops, put that in the wrong place, didn't I? Let's do that again. You got 4 for foreign, and then X for exchange. Foreign exchange equals Forex. So that's where that word comes from. Now, foreign exchange is just like trading currency for another currency, like the dollar or a pound for the dollar. Either way, you can do it both ways. You can do it to the euro, you can do it to the Danish, you can do it all the different currencies. Anything you can think of, you can exchange it most likely. Now, the dollar can be quite a strong pair. Some people think it's the strongest pair, some people don't. They think the GBP is. But personally, I do think it is the strongest pair. But let's move on anyway. So, exchanging, the easy way to look at it is if you go to a post office and buy a currency, let's just say the dollar, and let's say you buy a pound's worth of 10 cents, right? Because the dollar's worth 10 cents, so you buy a pound's worth. And that would be 10 times. So you'd buy 10, wouldn't you? Now, let's say you waited until the dollar became a pound for a pound. Now, when the dollar's at a pound, that means this has times by 10. So you've bought 10 of these, and they've all times by 10. So you've bought a pound's worth. That pound now times by 10, which means you've made, well, not made, but your outcome is £10. You've made £9. Minus 1 equals £9 profit. That's how the market goes, basically, in essence. And that's basically what you predict happens on the Forex market. So if you make a prediction that it's going to go up and it goes in your favor, you earn. If you make a prediction, now this is the difference I was just about to say. So with Forex, you can make money both ways. So if you make a prediction that it's going to go up and it goes in your favor, you make money. If you make the prediction it's going to go down, and it goes in your favor, you still make money. Whereas when you hold the capital, if it goes down, if you hold the physical asset, if it goes down against you, you cannot make money. You only make money when it goes up in your favor. Now, this is why I prefer Forex rather than holding the actual commodity or currency, because it just makes it easy. You can earn both ways. There's less loss, if you understand what I mean. So yeah, if you do understand what I mean, by the way, then you'll be a trader in no time. when trading the retail spot market, we take the same approach as this. The only difference is that we do it with more wisdom and knowledge. Some of these things is down to the analysis we do. We take into consideration when trading there is fundamental, technical and sentimental. I will dive deep into those in another lesson. But for now, the next best part about trading, which is kind of the best part that I love, and it's gave me a lot more time with my family and stuff like that, is the fact that in this new digital age, you can do it anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection and a mobile device or a computer, you can basically trade. It's really not so bad. You don't even really need a fast internet connection. Yes, it does help for getting those sniper trades in, but yeah, you can trade with a low internet connection. But prior to that, you need to set up your broker account. Now, to trade, you do need a broker account. Now, for me, this is like a bank account, and I'll go into this in the next video, okay? In terms of the application for the MT4, I'll put a link up above. You've probably seen it already. So just click that if you just want to get that downloaded. It works on Mac, PC, Android, iOS, everything. So get that, and here comes the link for the next video.